This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Viper vs Ferrari, which is better. Focus on performance, handling, design, and ownership costs so you can decide which suits your driving style. I will break down acceleration, braking, and cornering for clear comparisons. We will also cover daily usability and typical maintenance expectations. By the end, you will have a practical checklist to match either car to your needs and budget. Acceleration, throttle feel, and cornering character define driver enjoyment, so I describe how each car behaves on road and track. Expect unfiltered feedback versus electronically assisted balance, and learn how that changes the driving experience. I explain brake performance, steering precision, and how power plants influence throttle response. This section helps you weigh adrenaline and control when choosing between raw muscle or engineered finesse. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more content and help others find it. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use often, which save time between drives and keep snacks tidy on road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them quickly. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Design matters beyond looks, so I talk about cabin comfort, visibility, and daily usability for both cars. We cover ergonomics, trunk space, and how each brand approaches driver engagement versus passenger comfort. Then, I outline maintenance rhythms and expected service costs to give a realistic ownership perspective. This helps balance the thrill of ownership with long-term practical considerations and budget planning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.